Hey guys. Alright, so you guys already know based upon the title what it is. I just took my braids out. I have not washed my hair. I prefer to do ponytails when my hair is like this just because my hair is a lot more thicker. So yeah. I don't have time to wash my hair because I have to go somewhere. So yeah, I am about to do my hair. Okay. And hopefully it comes out right. My hair has grown a lot. I'll put like all of my little natural hair videos that I do have in the description bar. I know I forget to do that a lot, guys, when it comes to videos, but I will try my best to do it. So I am just loving my afro. Like, it's so beautiful. I love it. Okay, so here is what the drawstring ponytail looks like. It comes with two combs, one on the top, one on the bottom. And then, of course, it comes with the string that makes the ponytail tight. As you can see, super duper easy, hassle-free ponytail, which I am here for and I'm excited to try. But before I install this ponytail, I am going to co-wash this hair using the Tresemme Flawless Curl Conditioner. I love this conditioner. Is excellent for curly hair. I would highly suggest you only use conditioner with this curly hair just because it's going to give it that softness and it's going to help with any type of detangling that you may have because this is like really tight curly hair. So adding conditioner is just going to help loosen up those curls and make it a little bit more manageable. So after I have rinsed out the conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and place this ponytail on a mannequin head using some wig pins just to secure it down and make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And then once I have the ponytail secured on the mannequin head, I'm going to go ahead and section off the hair and do a twist out. I'm going to be using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I love this conditioner for my natural hair because it leaves my hair super duper soft and it definitely helps with the detangling process. So I'm going to apply that on each section. When it comes to the install, I think I'm going to do like a slanted part, and my hair is super duper thick right now, so I'm going to use the Cantu leave-in conditioning spray. This stuff is amazing, y'all. Like, I spray this on my hair every single morning, every single night because it just leaves my hair so soft, and it definitely helps with the detangling process again. And then I'm going to add some water just so I can kind of rake this comb through my hair and detangle it much better. So I'm using this new eco styling gel that I picked up at my local beauty supply store, and girl, I am slapping it on my hair because I need a whole lot. Okay, working with a lot of hair right now. This eco styling gel has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed in it. It's supposed to be a maximum of a 10 hold, but it's leaving my hair super duper soft, and I'm not really liking that because it's making my curls and my hair wave up. So I'm having to go in with another layer of gel to kind of get that sleek look. So I'm just going to continue to do that until I'm satisfied with how flat or smooth my hair is going to get. Okay, so we all know I have thin edges. Tell me something I don't know. So to kind of temporarily fix that issue, I'm going to use this stuff called Topic. It's hair building fibers that I got from Sally's. And basically what it does is it just fills in any little thin areas that you may have. But you must have, you know, some hair in order for the fiber to attach, if that makes sense. So if you are like completely bald, it's not going to work because the fibers can't
like connect or attach to something. So you have to have a little bit of hair, but I love this stuff. It definitely helps fill in the thinning areas that I have. So then I'm going to take a scarf and tie it around my head just to help smooth out my hair so that I don't have as much waves, or you know, it just helps my hair lay flat. And then I'm going to take the ends of my hair and twist it up into a little ball so I can put the ponytail on my head. If you have a lot of hair and your ball is a lot bigger than mine, don't worry about it, because this is a curly ponytail, so it's definitely going to cover, you know, any thickness that may be going on in the back. So I'm just going to put the ponytail in, placing the combs in the front and in the back, and then I'm going to use the drawstring as you see, and I'm going to just pull on it, and it definitely gives you a tight, secured, snug feel without a doubt. This ponytail is not going anywhere, girl. So I'm going to take the string and I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail so that the string is hidden. Also, I noticed that when I was wrapping the string around my ponytail, this ponytail was getting tighter. So just keep in mind, once you start wrapping, girl, it gets more secured. I love this idea. I don't know why I've never worn like a drawstring ponytail before, because it is so much better than, you know, putting like tracks in your hair and creating a ponytail, because it's just hassle free and like it takes a matter of minutes, really seconds. So I'm here for it. But I'm just going to go ahead and untwist my hair. The hair is still wet because I don't have time to let it really dry overnight, but that's okay because I'm going to take a blow dryer and I am just going to dry the hair that way. Like I said, I'm just going to use a blow dryer to dry the rest of my hair. This is a regular blow dryer with a diffuser attached to it, and basically using a diffuser is just going to minimize any type of frizziness. It's going to also help shape the curls a lot better. It's not something that you have to do, but it does help set your curls and give your curls a little bit more definition. So I definitely want my ponytail to have a lot more volume and a lot more fullness. So I'm just taking my fingers and kind of separating the curls and fluffing it out just so I get that bigger, kinky look. It's all about a preference when it comes to how you want your ponytail to look, but I definitely want mine to be more on the fluffy, thick side. So I'm just teasing the hair and fluffing it up until I get that desired look that I'm going for. And then I'm going to take a piece of the ponytail and just wrap it around the ponytail just to make sure, you know, nothing is being shown. And I'm just going to continue to use that diffuser to kind of fluff up the hair a little bit more and give the curls a little bit more definition because my hair is still a little damp. So as the hair continues to dry, I'm just going to continue the same process of fluffing and teasing the hair just till I get that look that I'm going for. So yeah. This is pretty much the final look, guys. As you guys can see, this is a super easy, cute style. You can transform your natural hair in a matter of minutes. This is something that is great for, you know, those bad hair days. You can definitely put it in a bun. You can wear it in a ponytail. However you choose, this is like a lifesaver, honestly. I don't know what took me so long, you know, with trying a drawstring ponytail, but it's amazing. This ponytail is from Hergivenhair. If you want to purchase it, which I highly suggest you do so, make sure you check out that description bar, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.